Python Introduction, Python Import. I will explain and demo about Python Import. We do not also have to write Python code from scratch to accomplish certain tasks. Python is having several inbuilt modules that are already coded to perform some task, and we can easily use these modules to accomplish our task without us coding these functionalities from scratch. You can get mean result by calculating using the mean formula manually. By using the import, you can calculate the mean statistic without need to remember the mean formula. Here the example. Alternatively, I import statistic as S to get mean result.